Well, honey children, this should the queen quit head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. You talk about ready for sing with my boy Ice Cube. Today was a good day. You know I ain't trying for see, because we just beat them joker. Yes! They done make sure it deny the destructionment at Beaufort County. Great God, thank you to God. Thank you to all the 100 children with the sign of petition and things like that. We had to go and drop the hard box on the table and things like that. They had to do lifting weights for all the 30,336 that we going on and dropping in. We know plenty of 100 children still been assigned a petition for stop the destructionment. Well, we done. So y'all can beat the drum, 100 children can shout and all this year. We gonna let y'all know what coming next. And we win for the first key too. Ain't going to be no sand mine in there. You know who we be. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people. And if God be for you, who can be against you? Peace and blessing, everybody. Thank you, y'all.